करें मैंने, प्लीज स्टार्ट करें।
Good evening, everyone. I'm Akansha Sharma, the Company Secretary of Titan Securities Limited. I extend a warm welcome to all participants at the 33rd Annual General Meeting of the company, convened today through video conferencing and other audio-video modes in compliance with the directives of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities and Exchange Board of India. We are using the WebEx platform for this live meeting, which allows us to communicate and interact with each other easily. Please note that the registered office of the company shall be considered the theme venue for this annual general meeting. Before we proceed with the agenda, I would like to draw your attention to the following key points to facilitate your participation in today's meeting. As the meeting is being held through electronic means, the physical attendance of shareholders is not required. Therefore, attendance slips and proxy forms have not been dispatched. The presence of shareholders to establish quorum shall be ascertained through video conferencing or other audio-video modes in accordance with Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013. For the inspection of documents and registers required to be made available during the AGM, members are advised to send a request to the company at titan.securities@yahoo.com. Subsequently, the requested documents and registers will be accessible with prescribed requirements. The opportunity to participate in this annual general meeting is extended to shareholders from their respective locations via video conferencing on a first-come, first-served basis. All meeting participants are automatically muted by the host to prevent disruptions caused by background noise, ensuring a productive and uninterrupted meeting. For any technical support related to annual general meeting, members may contact the helpline number provided in the AGM notice. When the question and answer session begins, the host will announce the names of shareholders who have enrolled to speak. The host or their representative will unmute both the audio and video for each registered speaker. Prior to speaking, shareholders are urged to activate their video and audio by clicking on the corresponding icons displayed on the screen. In the event a shareholder encounters difficulties joining via video, they may opt for the audio mode. To ensure clear auditability, speakers are advised to utilize earphones, minimize background noise, disconnect other devices from the Wi-Fi, close additional applications, and ensure adequate lighting for an optimal video experience. Should a connectivity issue persist with a speaker shareholder, the subsequent speaker will be invited to participate. Once the connectivity concern is resolved, the shareholder speaker will be given another opportunity to address the meeting after the remaining registered speakers have concluded. Shareholders are kindly requested to limit their remarks, questions, or clarifications to a concise 3-minute duration to allow all registered speakers an equitable opportunity to contribute. Shareholders are encouraged to refer to the instructions detailed in the AGM notice or on the video conferencing platform for smooth participation. During the video conference, members can share their views or ask questions using the chat box on their screens. Please note that the company may limit the number of questions asked depending on the time available during the annual general meeting. This helps keep the meeting running smoothly and on schedule. In line with our commitment to transparency and good governance, the company has facilitated electronic e-voting for all the resolutions as set out in the notice of annual general meeting. Members who have not yet exercised their right to vote electronically and are present at the meeting shall have the opportunity to cast their votes during the meeting or or within 15 minutes of its scheduled commencement using the e-voting system provided by the Central Depository Services India Limited, the CDSL. Upon conclusion of the voting process, the scrutinizer will compile and submit a consolidated report for both the remote e-voting and voting conducted during the AGM. The results of the resolutions pertaining to both ordinary and special business shall be declared promptly upon receipt of the scrutinizer's report and will be made available on the company's website and communicated to the stock exchanges in accordance with the regulatory requirements. Moving forward to the introduction segment, I would like to request the directors, representative of statutory orders, and scrutinizer who are conducted via video conference to please acknowledge their presence. I now request Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla to kindly introduce himself to the members.
Good evening, esteemed guests. I am Naresh Kumar Singla, Director of the company, joining this annual meeting virtually from our office in New Delhi. I warmly welcome all of you to this meeting. Thank you.
I now request Mr. Suresh Chand Singla to kindly introduce himself to the members.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Suresh Singla, Director and founder of this company. I'm asking to Naresh Singla to take over this chairmanship.
I kindly request Mr. Saurabh Shashwat to introduce himself.
Good evening, respected attendees. I am Saurav Shashwat, the chairman of the board and also the chairman of the audit committee and the stakeholders committee. I am participating in this AGM from my office in New Delhi. I would like to recommend that Mr. Naresh sir to be invited to preside over this meeting. I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe.
Allow me to introduce Mr. Ajay Radhesham Bansal, who serves as a director of Titan Securities Limited and holds the esteemed position of chairperson of the Nomination and Remuneration Committee of the board. He is joining us today for this annual general meeting from his residence in Mumbai. Mr. Bansal's leadership and valuable insights have played a key role in steering the company toward continued growth and success. At this point, I respectfully request Mr. Bansal to kindly confirm whether he would like to nominate Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla as the chairman of this meeting. Sir, your confirmation and decision. In this regard, I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you once again for your valuable contribution. I kindly request Ms. Shreya Kamal Dhanuka to please introduce herself to the members.
Good evening, esteemed attendees. I am Shreya Kamal Dhanuka, Director on the board, participating in today's annual general meeting from my residence in Mumbai. I propose that Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla be requested to preside over this meeting. I trust that all attendees are in good health.
We are pleased to have with us the representative of our statutory auditors firm, Mr. Shubham Singh, who is attending this meeting on behalf of the audit team. May I now request Mr. Pankaj Gupta, the scrutinizer appointed for this meeting, to kindly introduce himself to the members.
Good evening, everyone. I, Pankaj Gupta, practicing company secretary, is to scrutinizer of this meeting, and for e-voting, I attending from Delhi.
With the consent of the members present and upon the recommendation of the Board of Directors, Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla has been nominated to act as the chairman of this meeting. He shall preside over the proceedings and lead the discussions further. At this moment, I am formally requesting Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla, Director and Chairman of this meeting, to call the meeting to order and deliver his opening address to the attendees. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, A very warm welcome to the 33rd annual general meeting of Titan Securities Limited. It is my privilege to address you today and share our journey over the past year, our achievements, and our visions for the future. I trust that you and your families are doing well and staying safe. Thank you for joining us today. It means a lot that you have made time to be here. Your active involvement is key to making this meeting effective and valuable for all of us. I am pleased to announce that the requisite quorum is present, and therefore I hereby call the 33rd annual general meeting of our company to order. The company has worked hard to ensure that everyone can participate smoothly in today's meeting and cast their vote on the items listed on the agenda. For those who wish to revisit the discussions or were unable to join live, a recording of this AGM will be available on our website after the meeting concludes. At Titan Securities, we believe that trust is not just earned, it is consistently upheld through action, ethics, and transparency. During the financial year 24-25, we have remained deeply committed to maintaining high standards of corporate governance. Our report on corporate governance, included in the annual report, is a testament to our unwavering dedication to accountability, integrity, and stakeholders' confidence. In a time when economic ecosystems are evolving rapidly, transparency is not merely a compliance requirement, it is a strategic imperative. We have embedded this philosophy into every level of our operations and reporting mechanism. Non-banking financial companies like ours continue to be indispensable to the financial fabric of the country. We bridge the gap between traditional banking and the growing financial needs of undeserved and emerging sectors. As the Indian economy expands across industrial, agricultural, and digital domains, the demand for flexible and responsive financial institutions have never been greater. Your company plays a complementary role to the banking sector, enabling success to create for businesses. Since the notice for this 33rd annual general meeting and the annual report for 24-25 have been duly sent to all shareholders, I trust you have had the opportunity to review the annual report. Therefore, I shall take the same as read. It gives me pleasure to confirm that the statutory auditors and secretarial auditors reports for this financial year contain no adverse remark, observations, or qualifications. During the financial year 24-25, the company delivered strong performance across key areas. A detailed overview of our achievements can be found in the annual report. Since this AGM is being held by a video conference and all the resolutions mentioned in the AGM notice have already been put to vote through remote e-voting, there will be no requirement for the formal process of proposing and seconding the resolutions during today's meeting. At this point, I would like to invite our shareholders to share their valuable thoughts and feedback. Your insights play a crucial role forward for successful year ahead. I now request the host to kindly enable each speaker to address the meeting one at a time. Thank you. Over to the host. Thank you.
The first name to appear on our list is Mr. Sachin Singhal. I would like to request the host to please check and confirm if he is online, and if so, kindly connect him to speak. Puneet sir, can you please confirm if he is online?
मैडम
Mr.
सचिन जी
Sachin
प्रेजेंट नहीं है, सचिन जी प्रेजेंट नहीं है.
Okay. The next on our list we have Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain. Requesting, please check if he is online. Please connect him to speak. Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain.
यस प्रेजेंट है मैडम.
नमस्कार नमस्कार चेयरमैन सर, मैं दिल्ली से अजय कुमार जैन कंपनी का शेयर होल्डर बोल रहा था। आपने चेयरमैन जो स्पीच दी है वह बहुत अच्छी थी, आशा के अनुरूप थी। उसको सुनने के बाद कोई प्रश्न नहीं बनता और ये विश्वास जगता है कि आपके नेतृत्व में कंपनी और अच्छा आगे करेगी और लाभ कंपनी के साथ साथ शेयर होल्डर को निकट भविष्य में मिलेगा। सभा में आज आपने जितने प्रस्ताव लगाए हैं उनका मैं अनुमोदना करता हूँ और उनके पारित होने से कंपनी को और मजबूती मिलेगी। और आपके दिशा निर्देश से सीएस टीम ने एक अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है और जो होस्ट की सिग्नल क्वालिटी ऐसा है कि हम अपने आदरणीय चेयरमैन साहब के सामने ही बैठ के इस सभा में जुड़े हुए हैं और सुन पा रहे हैं। एक यादगार आज का अंतिम सत्र मीटिंग के हिसाब से आप जैसे यशस्वी चेयरमैन को सुनना देखना था और मन बहुत प्रसन्न हुआ। भगवान आपको स्वस्थ रखे दो और आपके लिए मंगल कामना। और जब हम अगली बार मिलें तो कोई अच्छा समाचार कंपनी की तरफ से हमें प्राप्त होगा। इसी आशा विश्वास के साथ नमस्कार, जय हिंद।
Thank you, Ajay sir, for presenting your views. The next name on our list is Mr. Gundluru Redappa. Could the host please check if he is available?
मैडम नहीं है, वो प्रेजेंट नहीं है.
Okay, sir. The next name on our list is Miss Anjana. We request to please check if she is available. Miss Anjana. The next name on our list is Mr. Praveen Kumar. Please check if he is available.
Conclude can you please?
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes sir, yes sir, please.
A very, very good afternoon to my respected chairperson for this meeting. The most excellent address to the shareholder. Very, very informative, sir. And our company is one of the most top 10 respective company in their respective space. This is the hard work of our respected chairperson along with the professional team. Wholeheart support all the resolution which you set out for the notice today. And sir, as far as the question is concerned, I don't I don't want to ask any question because this annual day is the hard work of the entire year, which you did along with the professional team and each and every dedicated employee of our company. And I wish you all the luck and all the best for the future, sir, because I know you are working so hard to create sustainable value creation for a retail investor like me. And higher corporate governance is maintained by our respected company secretary, Madam Akansha Sharma, and her entire team. Mark my words, sir. During the course of year, if you have any update, that will be timely replied. That truly boosts our morale, sir. It was always a red carpet welcome with our QVs and updates. And wish you all the luck and all the best. And once again, happy Navratra to the entire management team and each and every dedicated employee of the company. Thank you for this opportunity. Jai Hind, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Praveen sir, for your warm wishes. The next name on our list is Mr. Ankur Chanda. We request the host to check if he is connected.
Vishal, unmute कीजिए।
I am audible.
Yes, yes, please.
Hello, I am audible.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Good evening to everyone. Sir, I just want to say that our corporate governance is too good. तो सर कोई दिक्कत तो है ही नहीं। बाकी हम ठीक है प्रॉफिट में हैं, लेकिन हमारी मैनेजमेंट इतनी कैपेबल है कि इस प्रॉफिट को और कई गुना कर सकती है। और अगर प्रॉफिट कई गुना होगा तो हमारा शेयर प्राइस भी कई गुना हो जाएगा। और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि बहुत जल्दी ही ये दोनों चीज़ें होंगी। और इसी के साथ आपको शुभकामनाएं और बेस्ट विशेस देते हैं कि आप इसको और प्रॉफिट लाइए और हमें भी और प्रॉफिट हो इससे। बस धन्यवाद सर, धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Ankur sir, for your warm wishes. The next name on our list is Mr. Narendra Singh Chauhan. Are we having?
हेलो,
Yes, sir, please.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है मैडम?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
जी सर, आपकी आवाज ऑडिबल है।
गुड इवनिंग चेयरमैन साहब, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, को शेयर होल्डर। सर, सबसे पहले तो मैं कंपनी सेक्रेटरी साहब का धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा, जिन्होंने मुझे एक सिंगल रिक्वेस्ट पे एनुअल रिपोर्ट की हार्ड कॉपी प्रोवाइड की। सर, हमारी किसी भी तरह की कोई भी ग्रीवेंसेस होती हैं तो कंपनी सेक्रेटरी साहब उसका तुरंत रिप्लाई दे देते हैं। सर, हमें आपकी लीडरशिप पे पूरा भरोसा है, पूरा विश्वास है। जिस तरह आप कंपनी के लिए दिन रात मेहनत कर रहे हो सर अच्छे रिजल्ट दिए आपने, अच्छा बेनिफिट दिया सर, जिससे सर हमें शेयर होल्डरों को अच्छा फायदा हुआ सर भविष्य में भी इसी तरह की उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप अच्छा कार्य करें, अच्छे काम करें सर। और सर मैं एक ही क्वेश्चन है मेरा, आने वाले 2-3 साल में हमारी कंपनी का क्या रोड मैप है सर, इसके बारे में बताइए सर। थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच। और सर आने वाले त्योहारों के लिए मैं आपको शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, sir. The next name on our list is Mr. Jasmeet Singh.
जसमीत जी अपना आपको अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज।
यार इसमें पता नहीं क्या था, अनम्यूट हुआ भी नहीं गया।
जसमीत जी अपना आपको अनम्यूट कीजिए। मिस्टर जसमीत।
हाँ जी, आवाज आ रही है जी मेरी?
यस सर प्लीज।
ठीक है जी। रिस्पेक्टेड चेयरमैन सिंगला जी, एक मिनट सर, मैं अपना जो है ना ये वीडियो भी ऑन कर लेता हूँ। ठीक है जी, थैंक यू। Respected Chairman Singla ji, Board of Directors and all the fellow shareholders and KMPs attending this call. I am Jasmeet Singh attending this AGM from Delhi. Sir, thank you for your opening remark. My specific question pertaining to our business operation is that as we deal in shares and securities of all type of listed and unlisted securities, bonds, debentures, etc.
but we make own investments in shares, securities, bonds. At the same time, we are dealing in short-term and long-term finances for reputed and well-known business entities. So what I would like to know that do we have a trading license and are we registered with any stock exchange to trade? If yes, then which stock exchange? If not, then should not we get a trading license and get registered with BSE or MSE or MCSE, which will help us to make our own investments much easier and simpler, and also help to get more business from the other entities. If you could like to, if you may give your inputs onto these onto this query, I will be grateful to you. And thank you, Akansha, for connecting us to interact with the board today. I wish you all the very best. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Jasmeet sir. We have noted your queries and it will be addressed by the chairman at a later stage. And
Thank you.
thank you for your warm wishes. The next name on our list is Ms. Charanjeet Kaur Dan. We request the host to check her connection and confirm her presence.
मैडम प्रजेंट नहीं है.
So there is no other registered speaker, so we can proceed further.
Thank you so much for the queries the shareholders have raised to us. So I just reply one by one, like the questions from the shareholders. We are not a member of any stock exchange, and so we don't need any trading licenses. Further, the company has employed human capital as per the requirement. The company performance has improved over the last year as reflected from its financial statements. Company has invested its money in safe securities, so even tough economic conditions doesn't affect us. We are more secured than anything else. Further, we are switching investments from one to another based on the opportunities. We hope to do well in the coming years. The market is very volatile, so company has to take extra precautions before investing its funds. So in future, if we go for any trade lessons and all that, then everybody will be informed about it. The company's strategic investments in the biotech and the agricultural sectors have continued to deliver positive results with strong profitability achieved during the year and further gains anticipated in the years ahead. Our diversified investments portfolio comprising listed equity shares, unlisted equity shares, and mutual funds. This has played a crucial role in the company's overall success. The appreciation in the market value of these investments is a clear reflection on our prudent and well-informed investment decisions, grounded in market research and secretarial analysis. During the financial year 24-25, the company recorded profit before tax is 150.59 lakhs, with a total revenue from business operations amounting to rupees 1045.84 lakhs. These results underscore the effectiveness of our strategic approach, our ability to identify and capitalize on high potential investment opportunities, and our focus on delivering consistent value to our shareholders. Future outlook. The road ahead is filled with opportunities. With continued growth and innovations across the biotech and agriculture sectors, your company is well positioned to capitalize on emerging trends and deliver enhanced returns on its investments. These sectors remain central to national development, and we believe their momentum will only strengthen in the years to come. Recognizing this potential, the company is strategically expanding its investment focus to include thriving industries such as agriculture, fertilizers, pesticides, and nutritional solutions. These sectors have historically demonstrated strong performance and are poised for sustained growth, driven by increasing demand, innovation, and supportive government policies. By investing in these critical industries, we aim to seize high potential opportunities that align with both our financial objectives and broader development priorities. In parallel, we are exploring opportunities to diversify our portfolio through investments in reputable mutual funds. This move is designed to provide broader exposure to multiple sectors, enhance liquidity, and mitigate concentration risk, while ensuring a balanced risk-return profile. The diversification through mutual funds also complements our core investment strategy and allows to tap into professional fund management expertise. Our dual approach, the targeted investments in high growth sectors and prudent diversification through mutual funds. This reflects a well-rounded investment strategy. It aligns with our long-term mission to generate consistent shareholder value while carefully managing risks in an evolving market environment. Beyond financial strategy, we remain firmly committed to embedding the company's value into every aspect of our operations. Transparency, accountability, and alignment across all levels are the foundations on which we are building long-term success. This culture of shared responsibility ensures that our team is united by a common vision and motivated by collective progress. I am confident that with the continued commitment, collaborations, and drive of our people, we will bring this vision to life, delivering sustainable growth, strengthening stakeholders' trust, and achieving meaningful impact in the years ahead. We look ahead with the confidence, while challenges will always exist. So will opportunities, and we are well positioned to navigate both with purpose and determination. Our focus remains firmly on sustainable growth, innovation, and delivering long-term value to all stakeholders. To better support the company's growth and ambitions and enhance operational stability, the Board of Directors has decided not to recommend a dividend for the financial year 24-25. This prudent decision enables us to reinvest in the business and enhance our capacity for the future success. On behalf of the company and the Board of Directors, I would like to extend our sincere appreciation to the various government and regulatory authorities, bankers, and all other stakeholders for their invaluable support. Like as Steve Jobs once said, the great things in business are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people. At Titan Securities, our greatest strength lies in our people. The passionate professional, innovative thinkers, and dedicated employees across all levels of the organization who together drive our success every single day. It is their commitment, collaboration, and relentless pursuit of excellence that continue to shape our achievements and define who we are as a company. I extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed shareholders for the confidence and the trust you continue to place in the board and the management team. We don't take your trust lightly, It is responsibility we carry with the utmost seriousness, and we remain firmly committed to honoring it. We will continue to uphold transparency in our communications, adhere to the highest standards of corporate governance, and stay focused on creating sustained value for all stakeholders. As we look to the future, we count on your continued support and partnership with renewed optimism and the purpose. I would also like to acknowledge with sincere appreciation my fellow members on the board. On behalf of the shareholders and the management, I especially wish to thank our distinguished independent directors. Your guidance, wisdom, and objective counsel are invaluable. The depth of experience you bring us, the depth of the experience you bring has been instrumental in shaping our strategic directions, ensuring sound decision making, and reinforcing the strength of our governance framework. Words may indeed fall short, and perhaps even a lifetime would not be enough to express sufficient gratitude to the divine for the infinite grace, protection, and silent strength that have guided us through yet another year. In a world that is often shaped by data, decisions, and directions, it is also faith, grace, and gratitude that remind us of our deeper responsibilities. Before we officially close, I would like to inform that the e-voting window will remain open for an additional 15 minutes to allow any remaining shareholders to cast their votes. The consolidated results of the both remote e-voting and e-voting during the EGM, along with the scrutinizer's report, will be submitted to BSE Limited and published on the company's website within 48 hours of the meeting conclusions. I now request the host to keep the e-voting facility active for the next 15 minutes and to deactivate it thereafter, marking the formal conclusion of this meeting. As I bring my remarks to their conclusion, I call upon everyone to step forward with confidence, grounded in our principles, inspired by our mission, and committed to building a legacy that future generations will be proud to inherit. With this, I extend my best wishes for a bright and prosperous future ahead. Thank you once again for your presence and participation this evening. Wishing you a very pleasant evening ahead. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It is my honor to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of Titan Securities Limited. First and foremost, I would like to sincerely thank our esteemed chairman for honoring us with his presence and delivering an inspiring address. We are truly fortunate to have such exceptional leadership guiding our company. We also extend our thanks to the board of directors, the representative of the statutory auditors, the scrutinizer, and all the members for their active participation and engagement in this meeting. A special note of appreciation goes to the organizers of this event, the Central Depository Services Limited, and the dedicated team of our registrar and share transfer agent for their outstanding support and services throughout the process. We are also grateful to the technical support team and platform providers for ensuring a smooth and efficient virtual meeting experience. With your continued support, we look forward to another successful year ahead. With your gracious permission, my fellow board members and I will now take your leave. We wish you and your families good health and well-being. Once again, thank you all for your time, presence, and thoughtful participation. Thank you.